In the last video, we discussed with the example problems. Let us continue with the exercise 10.1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with a side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? Student, you can see here there are three types of triangles. Okay, if all the sides are equal, then it is called as equilateral triangle. So in this example, equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. So we have to take side as A here. Then here I can write P is equal to Q is equal to R is equal to A. Means the side of PQ, QR and RP is equal to A. Perimeter of the triangle is given as 180 cm. First we have to find the value of semi-perimeter. By using the formula S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. As I said you already, in an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. Means I can write A plus A plus A divided by 2. So I can write 3A divided by 2. To find the value of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C here, if you found the value of S minus A, it is enough that we can find the value of S minus B and S minus C because it is a equilateral triangle. Whatever the values of A you having, that is also same thing to the B and C. So I can write 3A minus 2 minus A is equal to A by 2. If I substitute the value by using the Heron's formula, I can write area is equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now I'll substitute the value of S as 3A by 2 and the value of A, B, C as A by 2 itself. So I can write square root of 3A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2. If you multiply the numerator, 3A raised to 4 divided by 16 you are getting. If you remove the square root, I can write it as root 3 divided by 4 into A square. Now to find the value of the length of the side, I will substitute the value of A. So before that I have to calculate the value of A here. If the perimeter is 180 meter means if I divide by 3, I am getting the value of A as 60 centimeter. Because perimeter is nothing but outer boundary of the any figure. Here you can take it as equilateral triangle. So A is equal to 180 divided by 3, that is 3 ones are 360, so you can cancel. So A is equal to 60 centimeter. If you know the value of the side of the triangle, that is equilateral triangle, I can find the value of area here. So instead of value of A, I can substitute the value of A as 60 centimeter here. So root 3 by 4 into 60 whole square is equal to root 3 by 4 into 60 whole square is 36 square. 36 or 3600 or 60 into 60 is 3600. So you can multiply, you will get 900 into root 3 centimeter square as the final answer of the first question. Let us continue with the second problem. Question number 2. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. You can see in that figure 10.6. The advertisements yields an earning of rupees 5000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Now we have to find the value of the area of this triangular wall, and also here the advertise is given. We have to pay some money to them for the company. The company is hired for one wall for 3 months for rupees 5000 per meter square per year. First we have to calculate the area, then by using area into rate per year into time I can find the value of cost also. In the rupees I have to find. First thing, what is given here? Here the three sides of the walls are given, that is A is equal to 122 meter, B is equal to 22 meter and C is equal to 120 meter. And also the rate per year, it is given as rupees 5000 per meter square. Now by using semi-perimeter formula, S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, I can substitute the value of A, B and C, that is 122 plus 22 plus 120 divided by 2. If you add the denominator and denominator, you will write 264 divided by 2, that is from 2 you can cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. So S is equal to 132 meter. By using Heron's formula, I can write square root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. If you substitute the value of S, A, B, C, you are getting the answer as 1320 meter square. Here you can see 132 into 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22, 132 minus 120. So 132 I'll write it as it is in the square root. 132 minus 122 is 10. 132 minus 22 is 110. 132 minus 120 is 12. Now 132 can be written as 12 into 11. 10 I'll write it as it is for easy grouping. 110 can be written as 11 into 10. And 12 I will write it as it is. Here you can see in the square root 11s are written 2 times, so I can write it 1 time 11, and 12 also given 2 times, I can write 1 time 12, and 10. So 12 into 11 into 10 is 1320 meter square. Now the next thing is I have to calculate the value of the cost for the 3 months. So we have for 1 year we have 12 months, so I can write cost is equal to area into rate per year into time, that is 1220 I got by using Heron's formula, the area into rate per year. For single year it is given as 5000 per year into time. So time duration is given as 3 months. So 3 months means for one single year 12 months will be there. In that 3 months it is given. So 3 divided by 12 you have to write. Okay. So 1320 into 5000 is 66 lakhs. Into 3 by 12 can be written as 3 ones are 3 fours, so you can calculate, you can write it in the fraction form 1 by 4. If you multiply and if you cancel it, you will get rupees 60 lakh 50,000 as the answer. So the company should be pay 16 lakhs 50,000 per year. So this is regarding the second problem. Let us continue with the third problem in the next video.